Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. It's lovely to have you here. Today we're going to be doing a nice warm-up and spinal mobility session. You don't need anything at all, so go ahead, get yourselves ready and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so we're going to do a nice warm-up to start with. So let's have our feet hip width apart and we're going to have our tummy pulling in, and we're going to start by taking a deep breath in, lifting the arms up, and then exhale, reach them out to the side. So you're going to inhale up, exhale out, deep breath in and out, and one more, inhale up and exhale out. So now we're going to start with some knee lifts, okay? So starting with your right leg, you're going to lift the knee and put it down. Lift the knee and down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. And if you can, I want you to just tap that knee as you lift it. All right, so we're going to start moving our spine a little now. And then what I want you to do is to start to see if you can bring your elbow towards that knee. So we're getting a little bit of spinal rotation here. All right, so yeah, you've got to keep your balance while you do it. All right, so lifting, good. Lift those arms up a little higher if you can. For 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Now let's take a nice wide stance. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do one arm at a time. So we're going to bend the knees, bring one arm up and take it out as you straighten, then the other, lift and out. All right, so I just want you to mirror what I'm doing. All right, get used to the movement, and then we're going to add a little spinal mobility to this as well. All right, that's it. Good. Now I want you to bend, lift the arm up and follow it with your eye line. So you're now working through the neck. All right, so lift and down. Lift, so you're turning the head to follow that hand as it goes down. You got it, good. So this is working through the cervical spine. That's your neck. Good. And again. We're going to do 2 more. 2, 1. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to turn around and you're going to put your right leg forward, your left leg back. So hopefully you're mirroring what I'm doing. You're going to need a little bit of balance for this one. So we're going to lift the heel on that back foot. Okay, sinking down, not too low, just so you feel you've got a little bit of stability and you can feel your legs working a little. And then we're going to do what we call the bow and arrow. So we're going to put both our arms out in front and your right arm is going to draw back. It's like you're pulling on your bow, getting ready to fire an arrow. But you're going to draw the elbow back and then you're going to open up that arm behind you, feeling that stretch across your shoulder. And then you're going to bring it back, bending at the elbow and bring it forward. All right, let's try that again. So pulling back on that bow, pull your tummy muscles in. Think of the elbow going back. You're trying to get a little bit of rotation now and then opening out. That arm, you can feel that arm behind you. All right, bend at the elbow and come back. Now we're going to try and do it and add a little more rotation. So you're going to draw back on that bow. Take the elbow behind you. You're going to open the arm and you're going to try and turn and look back towards that hand. Okay, so really going to challenge your balance as well. That's it, bend at the elbow and come back. And one more, drawing back. That's it, opening out and turning to look back towards that hand. Well done. coming back and stepping up. It's quite challenging, isn't it? A lot harder than it looks. So let's switch legs. Sinking down, so we'll do 2 without the head turn and then 2 with. So just get your balance there. Bring your arms out in front, so tummy muscles in. Now let's pull back on that bow. So now it's that left arm pulling back. We're rotating that upper body and we're opening that arm out behind us. That's it. Then you're going to bend at the elbow and come back. And again, drawing back and opening out. So try and feel the shoulders stretch. You can start to do that little bit of rotation if you can with that upper body. Bend at the elbow and come back. Now we're going to draw back. We're going to turn. This time we're going to try and follow that hand. Okay. Opening out and looking back. That's it. Good. Bring the arm back and forward. And one more. Pulling back on that bow. Rotating that body. And looking back to that hand. Good. Then the elbow and come back. Well done. You can feel that is quite a challenge, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to face front and we're going to put our hands on our shoulders. Now we're going to do lateral work. So we are going to flex over to the side as far as you can go. So think of this elbow going down, this elbow coming up, and then you're going to open both arms out. Nice stretch. That's it. You should feel a lovely stretch with this one. Bend the elbows and bring yourself back up. Then the other way over. Good. Extending out, opening those arms. That's it. Bend and come back up. Over the other way. And extend those arms. That's it. Bend and come up and over. Extend, bend and come up. Now we're going to add some more movement. We're going to go over. We're going to extend. Now working into our cervical spine. We're looking up towards that top hand and then down towards the bottom hand. Bend at the elbows and come back up. Let's go the other way. Over and open. Now looking up towards that top hand, down towards that bottom hand. Good. Bend at the elbows and come up. Well done. Let's bring those arms down. Let's roll those shoulders out. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Okay, so from here, let's do a nice little extended side stretch now. So I want you to go nice and wide actually with those legs. Okay, we're going to turn those legs out and we're going to bring this arm up and we're going to tilt over to the side. All right, tilt as far as you can. If you're able to, it feels okay, you can bend those knees now, and we're going to do a little roll. So we're going to keep the tummy in, spinal mobility. We are just going to do a nice little roll, bringing ourselves to the center, bring the arm down and come back up. And we're going to go the other way. So we lift the arm up, lateral flexion, bend the knees. You can put this hand on the leg if it helps you. And then we're doing little rotations. So just like half a circle to the center and come back up. Other way, lift, bend the knees, little flexion and little rotation and come back up and lift the arm, bend the knees. Good, little rotation and coming back up. Super. Okay, so we've done a little bit of rotation. We've done flexion side to side. We're now going to do extension. So that is your back going in this direction, very important for us all. So I'm going to go sideways so you can see me. And what we're going to do is a soft bend of the knees. Going to make sure that you tuck your pelvis slightly forward. So you're going to feel a little bit of a pull down here. And then we're going to bring our arms up. Okay, we're going to lift them as far as we can, keeping the shoulders down, eye line forward. Now imagining you're going back over a cushion or a pillow. And you're just going to go back and feel my back clicking as I do this. Good. Circle the arms and come back up. So try that again. Bend the knees, bring the arms up. So it's important to go slowly as we're warming up that spine. Reach the arms up. Okay, now think of reaching back. So you're trying to move your upper back, not just throw the head back. It's the whole of the upper back. And come back up. We'll do it one more time. Bend the knees. Bring the arms up. That's it, good. And once the arms or the fingers are pointing to the ceiling, then think about trying to extend your spine back. That's it. Bring the arms back behind you. Now we're going to go into our flexion. So take a breath in. Breathe out. Let's drop that chin down. So flexing through the neck first. And then starting to flex through the thoracic spine. We're going to soften the knees, keep pulling in and coming down towards the floor, all the way down. That's it. And then from there, we're going to reach our arms out. So this is extension. Sink that bottom down and try and bring those arms up, bring that back up, push up. And take the arms out to the side. And again, deep breath in. Breathe out, so chin to the chest. So it's neck, it's thoracic spine. Tummies in, soften your knees. Coming all the way down. And reaching out, sitting back, bringing that back upright if you can. Lifting up, arms out to the side. Let's do one more deep breath in, breathing out, chin to the chest, bending the knees, coming all the way down. Good, reaching out. Lovely, hold it here, coming up, and take your arms out to the side. And there we go. That's a lovely short warm up and spinal mobility routine for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do press the like button and do come see me again. Hope to see you soon. Take care.